What's up, Kid Too Technical? I'm back again with another video, and today we have a case from Poetic. They were kind enough to send me out the Poetic Guardian Magsafe for my iPhone 15 Pro Max. So I'm just going to unbox it and try it on the device like so. So this comes with, this is a two-part case. So you do get it with the screen protector, and you get one without the screen protector, and I like that because I already have a screen protector on my device, and this might mess up and make my screen protector lift. So this is here if you want it, but I'm not gonna try this one on because I don't want to use it. But this does have a built-in screen protector, and this one does not. So we're gonna pick up the case. Front of the case, we're going to place it on like so. And then you want to pick up the back, place that in like so. Make sure everything is snapped in the grooves, because if it's not, then you're going to have some problems with keeping your phone protected. Once you get this on your device, this is what it will look like. This is lifting up the screen protector just a tad bit. I don't know how well you can see that, but over in this corner it is just a tad bit, but it's not too bad. I can manage it, but if you're a person that doesn't like that, then you might not want to get this case, or you may just want to rip off your screen protector and just rock it like this, you know, if you're not worried about it dropping. But overall, this does look and feel nice. It doesn't add a lot of bulk to the device as it is. You do get some nice lip protection, so if you drop your phone flat down on the table, you will be good to go. Right here, you do get access to where you can easily lift it off of the case, take the case off of the phone, so that's good. Over here, you do get access for your power button. So you can see that it's nice and clicky, no problem. You do get some ridges for grip protection. I like that. Over here on this side, you get a button for your action button. That is nice. It's up here. Then you also get your volume up and down button, which are nice and clicky. You get ridges for grip protection. I'm not going to lose grip of my phone with this case. Coming over to the back here, you do get access to your camera bump, which is nice and deep. So if you place your phone flat down on the table, you will be good to go. There's your MagSafe capable ring. Down at the bottom, you do get a lip for your a plug for your USB-C charging cable. That way you can keep dust and grime out of that port. So now let's test it out with the USB-C charging cable that I have here. It works just like that, no problem. So now let me pull over my, let me bring over my wireless charging pad. And as you can see, it works just like that. So I hope you found this video helpful. I will drop a link in the description to where you can go pick this case up for yourself. And I will catch you in the next video. I'm out.